Let's do this song called Slow Motion Feel by the group L1011. Alright, the main, well, it starts out with, some kind of atmospheric guitar. And she's playing like a keyboards or something, or maybe a synthesized guitar. All I was doing, I played a C, just at the 8th fret. I'm playing the top 2 strings. It's out of a C chord. And then we can go to 5 and hit the same shape. That's out of the A minor chord. And then go back to the 8 and play 8 on the high E and 10 on the B. Out of an F. And then that goes to G. And I just played it at the 3rd fret. And then the guitar and the chords come in, and it's I play that in the open position because it's C, A minor, F, G. So the first breakdown goes, let's take the long way home. It just goes F, home, and then goes right back into the main chord progression. And then if you want to try to emulate what's being played, like you could bend. So I was just bending out of the C, 8th fret on the B, and then on the G string I'm bending at the 9th. Like the Pixies did a lot of bends like this. Joey Santiago. And then I went down to 6 and 7, and that's out of the A minor. Out of the G. The second time they go to the break, play with some motion feel. After C, just like before. And then they go, play with some motion feel. So that's a F, and then it goes C, B flat, D minor. And then I think it stays in that B minor. It stays in that D minor to C for quite a bit. D minor to C, major 7. And plays that for like a minute and a half maybe. And then to get out of that, it goes from the C major 7. chord, so it kind of goes to the second half of that, what we played earlier. It goes a D minor, C major 7, B flat, F, G. Alright, and if you want to play lead guitar, you can probably play A minor scale. Or you could play C major too. Alright, thanks for watching.